Hey guys, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your video with AI. Why? Well, it is all because VicFig6581 asked me how to do that. So let's go. So for this tutorial, I took these 3 AI video from the Hailuo AI homepage. Let's say we want to edit this video of the skating monkeys. Take a screenshot of the video where you want the change to happen. You can also export a still frame in CapCut, but taking a screenshot like this and then cropping it will also work. Okay, now we will go to Google's AI Studio. Now on the right, be sure to select the right model. We will use the Image Generation Experimental model. This model is like Photoshop for babies. Everyone can edit photos now. Let's check it out. Now we simply add the screenshot like this. And now write a prompt, things you want to add or extract from the image. In this case, let's write, add bananas to the street. And generate it. And guys, it is super fast. Here it is. This is just amazing. Let's download it. Now we will go to Hailuo AI, where we can generate AI videos. Go to Create and to the Image-to-Video. Now add the new image and write a prompt what you want to see happening. Like monkeys skating and falling over the bananas. And generate it. This can take a while. Now let's do the same concept for the other 3 videos. Let's add some thunder to her. And guys, we can also ask it to remove the watermark. Okay, this looks dope. The video generations are done. Here they are, and don't mind that I forgot to add the other image for the tiger. Haha, my bad. Now download them and add them to CapCut as well as the original videos and glue them together. When you are done, export it in 4K. Here is the end result. Bye.